Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, Today in this video, I'm going to cover about the string operations. These are the basic operations which we will be uh, implementing as uh, a string is a sequence. So it's a sequence of characters forms a string. Okay. So what I'm trying to show you here is how to print the first characters of the string. So this can be basically a string starts with the zeroth index. So I just declared a variable laptop as a string, and so to get the first characters we can use the indices of the starting from 0 as laptop colon 0. Let's print it in first letter. Okay. So you can see here the D is printed as a first letter. So similarly, if you change this index to next character, it will be E should be printed now. See? So this is how it prints the next characters starting from the 0 index. So since it is the first position, so I'll be keeping it as 0 now. Okay. So the second thing option was like getting the string length. We can use there's a length functions in the Python where which we can use that to get the length of the string. Length of laptop. Okay. So we have 4 characters here, so it's the length is 4. And similar to the first characters, if you want the last character also, we can print it. So so before that, I'll declare the uh, variable last. Top is the string contains in this. So we need is length. We need. So the total length is we get it from this function. Length of laptop -1. So we can print the last character here using this. Okay. This is L. Okay. If we give -2, -2 is also L because this previous one is also L. Let's see the. So you get the last third digits 1, 2, 3. And if you see the indices from the last, we are giving it starting from the. And the next one is traversing through the strings using the loops. So we can traverse with each characters from the string using the for loops and while loops. Okay, I'll just show you the couple of options here. Traversing through a variable as 0, and while this index is less than length of root, or sorry, length vectors, and we have laptop and the index, because we are starting it from 0, we want to print those letters. So once we are printing this one at the first, it will be 0, it will be printing the D, and we need to increment it, otherwise this loops goes on for infinite. That's the reason we don't use the while loops in most of the cases. So once we increment it, once this reaches the maximum size, this condition fails and it comes out of this loop. So let's run this. Also, which we can traverse it. The second is using the for loops. You can also using the for loops you can do, and the range. that indexes. So it starts from 0. So this is we get the same results with this also. And without using the length also, we can use directly the for loops only. Person character in laptop. And directly, since it's a string, it consists of like list internally. You can see the next option is how to slice the strings. So this is also a good option. Hello Berry. For the fifth digits, I'll be slicing first 5 characters of the string. Let me print that. So you can see this starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes up to the max n minus 1. So if you're given 5, it will be like it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are the loops it is going to repeat. So that's the reason we don't till 4 only it will be there. That's the reason we don't see the space here. Suppose if we give 4, it should print us only help. Okay, which is not good. So let's print hello only. Okay. So this is this also equals to since the last characters won't be included, so we'll be giving it as 12. This one. Let's check with that. It gives overberry. So if you use this one and comment this, I should see the same results. Okay, either of these options will work. Okay. Starting here till here, it's printed. So if you want to print the entire string itself without sorry for the noise by the way. So it prints the entire bell here without any. These are immutable. To explain that, let me take an example here. Let me change the characters in a string. Oh. And now if I print, see it throws us error. Say we have the string as hello baby. I'm just again repeating the same string here. Plus we can give as we can slice that part and append it rather than so we can start from 1 to the end. So the 0 positions will be this, h will be appended with this. So to print this, hello it will be okay. So the next step is looping in string. How do we use the loops in string? there are some operations we can do, like to get the number of times the word is character is repeating in a string. Like we have L as twice and R as twice. So let's try it once with let me take initialize a variable as count 0. This is a for loop for characters in a word. So let's define one more word here. One if every times it. There is also instead of writing the separate for loop, we have Python has inbuilt functions for that. So we can use this count functions. Word dot on the strings we have these operations also. Just copy pasting that another. Passes two parameters. One is word and one is a character, for which we are passing from the input and insert it, and you can return as well as the letter which you want. Suppose let me pass as L and check if it is the indentation is wrong. Should be here. Okay. So we are getting 4. Let's change the different character like E and just run this. Get 2 because there are only 2. Okay. So this should work for any other characters which we want. So you can just generalize this instead of writing one, hard coding the value here. Okay. And the last option operations we are trying to use in operator. If not, it will return false. Suppose D in del and one more thing is it's a case sensitive here. So you see if we keep it as small d, it returns as false. Okay. The above one should return true and the below one should return false. Okay. So these are some of the operations. Basically, I'll be uploading the same file in my GitHub repositories. Please have a look at this whenever you get some doubt. So I'll be adding more advanced string operations as well.